How to turn off shuffle on Spotify. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers and amazing giveaways that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. Now, let's open up Spotify and see how we can turn off the shuffle feature on playlist, etc. So this for some reason it will randomly work on some playlist and will not work on others. As you might know, the shuffle feature um, can be turned off if you are on premium. Let me find a premium example. Say, for example, let's see this one if it does have the example that we are looking for. Okay, as you can see, the shuffle feature right here next to the play button uh, is turned on. If we clicked on it and wanted to turn it off, you will see that it tells us that you want to turn off shuffle. With free, you can listen only on shuffle, turn it off and play songs in order with premium. So now for this specific playlist, if you wanted to turn off shuffle, you will need to have premium. You will not be able to turn off shuffle on this playlist just like that with free Spotify. However, there are some playlists that, say for example, the one that we've seen right now, this one right here, um, you can see that you can turn it on and off even if you have a free account, or say this one right here. As you can see, you can turn it on and off for some reason. I don't know why. Maybe it will work too for you. So just try it and I don't know, go through random playlist and try to find the playlist that allows you um, to turn off the shuffle feature. However, other than that, you will not be able to turn it off no matter how many videos you watch on YouTube or stuff. If Spotify says that you can only turn it off on premium, you will only be able to turn it off on premium. So you might as well just get premium and skip all the work and searching, etc. So that was it for this video. That's how you can turn off shuffle on Spotify. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.